Merry Christmas! Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a beautiful Christmas door swag using a $5 Dollar Tree Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, it is free to subscribe and I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this door swag, you're going to need a 4-foot Christmas tree. They're $5 at Dollar Tree. You're going to need some 10-inch mesh, and I ordered mine online from Craft Outlet. You're going to need some large pine cones, and I didn't use those 2 pine cone picks right there. You're also going to need some shatterproof ornaments or some gold ball picks, 3 poinsettias, and you're going to need some ribbon with wire, and both of my ribbons came from Sam's Club. First, you're going to want to take your Dollar Tree Christmas tree, remove the little stand and the end, the plastic piece on the end, and fluff and shape your Christmas tree to the left, to the right, and to the front. You don't need to worry about fluffing the back, just leave it flat. And here's how the tree looks when you get it fluffed. It makes a real pretty teardrop door swag. Now I'm taking my 10-inch mesh, cutting it at 24 inches, rolling each end a few times, then walking my fingers to the middle until they meet. Now I have a beautiful little woodland ruffle or cruffle. Now I'm going to the bottom of my swag, just wrapping a couple branches around the ruffle. Same steps, I cut my mesh at 24 inches, curled each ends a few times, then walked my fingers to the middle until they met. Now I'm just going up a little bit on the center of the swag, twisting 2 branches around the ruffle. Another option for making these woodland ruffles or cruffles is to take a chip clip or clothespin, roll one end 2 or 3 times, put the chip clip on it, rotate it to the opposite end, roll it 2 or 3 times, then walk your fingers up the middle of the mesh till you get to the other end, then remove the chip clip or clothespin. Now I'm making a big bow for the top, so I let out a tail and I made a loop. Now I'm going the other side, going to make another loop, and I'm going to try to make it the same size as my first loop. So I'm going to do 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right with this 5-inch ribbon, and it does have wire. And then I'm going to add some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire on top of it, and it's the gold and white striped ribbon from Sam's Club, and it's very pretty ribbon, but the quality just isn't very good, and you'll see what I mean in just a second. This is the second Dollar Tree $5 Christmas tree door swag that I have made. I made a really pretty pink and white elf one about 2 weeks ago, so if you haven't seen that tutorial, I'll link it for you in the description box. I am also doing a Christmas 2023 giveaway right now, so if you'd like details on how to enter it, I will link that tutorial in the description box for you too. You'll have to go to that tutorial, then click on the description box, and it has the rules. But if you already are participating, then you know what 3 words to write in the comments section. Most of the time, Sam's Club ribbon is good quality, and this turns out really pretty in the end, but it's just a really thin ribbon, and it just kind of wants to fold upon itself. It doesn't really want to hold its shape that good. But I just kind of wanted to do more of the gold tones and the white and keep it neutral. So I think it turns out pretty in the end, but I probably won't be buying any more of this ribbon. I did 3 loops on the left, 3 loops on the right with a 2.5-inch width ribbon, then let out a tail. Next, I'm going to take a zip tie and wrap a zip tie nice and tight around the center of my bow. And then I'll take a piece of 20 gauge floral wire and thread it underneath the zip tie to easily attach my bow to my wreath. But first we're going to dovetail the ends, so fold the tail in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends, or you can just cut it at a slant. Then don't forget to fluff and shape your bow. Now I'm taking the bow wires, going on the left and right side of the Christmas tree. Then I'm going to go to the back, give those wires a few twists, then cut them off short and fold them down. But before you cut your wires, make sure that you have your bow in the spot that you want it in. And I did tie a smaller one for the bottom. Next, I'm adding 2 large shatterproof pine cone Christmas ornaments that I picked up on sale at Cracker Barrel restaurant and store. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks, and I have my hot glue gun set on the low temp setting, so just be very careful when you use your hot glue. So I'm just holding the pine cone for a little while to let it have time to dry. I believe the pine cones regular price were only $6.99, and then I think I got 20 or 30% off of that. Next, I'm adding 3 poinsettia picks, and we just cut them shorter, added some hot glue to the end. Now I'm just pushing them into the greenery. Just let them have time to dry a little bit. These poinsettia picks are from Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby has lots of pretty colors of poinsettias and lots of pretty picks right now. This is a very simple and easy door swag to make. So first you're just starting out with your mesh, then adding a couple bows, some large shatterproof ornaments, some flowers, and then these are just some gold glitter ball picks that I cut into smaller pieces, and they're from Hobby Lobby, so I'm just hot gluing them in and just let everything have time to dry for a little bit. For a $5 Dollar Tree Christmas tree, the tree turns into a pretty teardrop door swag. It's really nice and full and fluffy, so if you can find the $5 Christmas trees at Dollar Tree, I'd pick up a few extras. These will also be pretty to make Valentine's Day door swags and Easter door swags too, so just think about that later on, if you don't use it now, you can always use it for the upcoming holidays and for, different seasons too. To hang up this door swag, I just took the end piece that's metal, wrapped it with twine, and made a loop with the twine to hang it up on my door. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and I am going to include a few pictures of some of the other Christmas DIYs I have already done on my YouTube channel. Thanks guys so much for watching. Merry Christmas.